Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I will show you that how you can connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So before going to connect Monopoly Go to your Facebook account, make sure that your game is up to date. To check that, you can just go to the Play Store app and here you can see that play button is visible, which means that game is up to date. And if you see a update button, make sure to click on that button to update your game. So once you have updated your game, here you can see I am in Monopoly Go right now. In the bottom right corner, you will be able to see a friends button. So if I click on this, you can see a Facebook button in the bottom. You can use this button to connect your Monopoly Go to Facebook, or there is also another option. What you can do is on the top right corner, click on the burger menu. Here you can click on the settings button and here click on connect account button. Here you can see there is a Facebook option which says play with friends. So click on this button and click confirm. And there you have it. You have connected your Facebook account to your Monopoly Go. And that's how simple it was to connect your game to Facebook account. Now you will be able to play with your Facebook friends. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.